Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on replies notifications on Instagram threads. Easy and quick. If you want to turn it off or on, it's easy. All you have to do first, go to threads and then go to your profile, and after that go to these two lines here and then go to notifications and then go to threads and replies. Now go to from this one replies. Now you can make it from everyone, or you can turn it off, or you can select from people you follow, and after that just go back. You don't have to click save or something like that. As you see, settings is changed, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.